I asked ChatGPT to change Blender theme, and ChatGPT did it in a second. Now I have multiple themes generated by AI. So without further ado, let's get started. Go to the preferences, themes, now we have so much presets. Hit this plus button to create your own. I name it ChatGPT. You can find it here in this directory. And when you open it, we have so much code. So I paste it all and ask for change. Maybe we need a stronger version. But, you know, it's too much for test. Let me find a way. But first I have to say, we do not encourage anyone to use ChatGPT 4 for free. Everybody knows that in order to enjoy all features of ChatGPT 4, they must buy OpenAI subscription. And this video is just for test. I found ChatGPT, we have limited access and this video is not sponsored by them. And I have to keep it clean as much as I can. Every single word matters. And finally, we got it. At first I will tell this is the XML code from Blender UI. So what I want? Actually I want to change Blender color theme. So chat have to decide a beautiful color theme for us. With extra details, I thought we have multiple themes, but anyway. Then finally paste the full code. And this is the life changer moment. No way, it's working! ChatGPT is generating codes for us. And I can't wait to test it. I will not edit this part of this video, I'm just select full colors here. And copy them. I already opened my XML file in Visual Studio and paste this first part. And that's it. I think we are done. Let me rename this file because I want to have a backup from it, and let's open it with Blender. I'm not gonna edit this part from this video, but oh my god, just take a look at it. It's amazing, can you see the changes? This is modern beautiful grayscale theme that we got right here. And viewer generated this theme with a span only 1 minute. Let's see what's changed again. You can see viewport is already gray and beautiful. As you can see here, it's already unique and beautiful. Just take a look at File Explorer here. It's beautiful. And the next time I'm going to ask which color should be used. For me personally, I love purple black theme. Now our order is baking and we already got it. Can't wait to see it. So let's rename this file again. So this time let's go deeper. I'm going to search about before colors and replace after colors. This is going to replace whole similar colors. If I hit this button, that's already work, which is amazing in Visual Studio. I will do with every little single colors. Now I'm going to check if it's working or not. I believe that's gonna be amazing. Let me check. Oh my god, which is so much beautiful. We have our beautiful dark purple theme generated under 1 minute. And this is the before and after. If we can generate this theme under 1 minute, imagine how much we can generate. This time let's ask to change purple to something, for example, orange. Now let's see what we got. This scenario is the same as what we did before, and now let's check. Oh my god, just take a look at it. It's amazing. Just look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, already black and orange. This is exactly what we asked for. Now these times, I'm not gonna change colors or something similar like that. I'm going to make the scene brighter or lighter. It's so much hard for someone to manually change it, but let's see if ChatGPT can change whole colors a little bit darker or not. We can simply tell Chat, make it darker or make black more black or something similar like that. But the best way I personally believe we can use to make exactly what we want is using percentage. So I'm gonna use percentage to change the color. For example, 20% darker. So these times we have to change a little bit more codes. And I'm going to replace the first part, but as you can see, we need to adjust the code a little bit. I'm not gonna edit this part of this video, just simply edit it and import it to Blender. I hope that works for us. Let me open this file. Okay, it's darker. You may like it or even don't, but I just wanted to show you you can simply make your whole theme darker or lighter just by adjusting this code. You can see also our file explorer or file view anyway is already darker, and now this time let's try color palette. I decided to use this palette. Let me paste the hex code here. And hopefully chat will always answer. So let's find out if it's working or not. Okay, it's too ugly, so let's change our code a little bit. I will ask chat again to do not touch any color with zero saturation or even grayscale colors. Now let's as always see if it's working or not. Amazing, just take a look at it. We already have our main theme. It's too similar to our purple black theme, but as you can see here, it's a little bit different because we use our color palette. We already sent the whole code, but chat will only adjust first part of it. So let's take that part and bring it to ChatGPT 3.5. I hope that version be smart enough to give us what we exactly need. Okay, we have some results. Let's see if it's working or not. Scenario is the same, but I will sped up. And finally, nothing changed. You should try ChatGPT 4. I think it's exactly what we need to change Blender theme and customize it. From today, there is no need to spend money on different themes, or even spend an hour to adjust any color step by step, because AI can handle it for us easily. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. If you're interested in AI, be sure to check my latest video which is about AI, and subscribe to our channel to join our family. Love y'all, peace.